Peterborough is a part of the Balfour Beatty group, and we're a manufacturing plant. We make parent transmission towers, and we do lots of operations on the shop floor, from cutting, bending, welding, galvanisation. My role is managing the operations day to day. So whether it be people, plant, processes, walking around the shop floor, I do walk around with pride and a smile on my face because it is a great place to be in, and what we do is great, it really is. I've been in manufacturing a long time, since I left school. Manufacturing is in my blood, you know, and it's just part of me. The projects we work on are absolutely mind-blowing. I guess the legacy is knowing that we're providing, you know, the country with power. So when we look back, we can say, do you know what, we were part of that upgrade. We were part of delivering net zero. Even now I drive round and I'm looking around thinking that was made in our factory. It makes me feel proud. It makes me feel dedicated, privileged to be part of it as well. Not many people get the opportunities to shape it. It is a proud moment for me when I can say, do you know what? I played a massive part in that. And it inspires me, and it inspires me to inspire the next generation to be part of it as well.